In this video, we're going to show you how to install the wheel arch molding on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the driver's side front wheel well. The process for this is the same as the passenger side. Now I went ahead and turned our wheel inward so we have more access to the front side here. There is going to be two plastic push pin retainers here. Ours have been replaced before, they're not factory, but if you have the factory ones, you can simply use a trim tool, pop one in there and remove it. But you want to start by removing these buttons here. Sometimes you might have to source some replacement buttons. Set those aside once you get them out. You're going to grab this here and pull outward. You're dislodging some trim clips on the inside here. Now as you pop this out, there's going to be some push buttons going all the way around the perimeter here. And just applying some even pressure as you come around to the next button, pulling out. Now that we have that off, you can see that there's a couple of these buttons that remain and you want to pop these off. So we're going to use your trim tool here. And ours has a little rubber stopper here to protect the paint. If you don't have something like that there and you need to pop these off, be sure to put some sort of tape or something on here to protect the finish on the paint. Now on the back of the new unit, you're going to have some replacement push pins here, so you don't have to worry about the ones that popped out and shot out across the room. So what we can simply do, line this up. And once you get that lined up on that first set, just gently push in. You can hear it engaging. Continue your way around. You just kind of gently popping these in. Make sure that your front edge here goes on the outside here, but you also want to pay attention to the outside here, the front side that goes into the bumper. Now you need to make sure that these three tabs line up with the bumper. Otherwise, when you go to push this on, it can break these off. So you want to be super careful. Simply line them up. Just follow around, just a gentle bump with your hand, snapping everything in. You gotta line up your retainers. And do the same for the bottom, get this lined up. You're going to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.